Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers. I'm real excited to offer our King Pier system, and I want to demonstrate how it works. Our King Piers, we're selling these as DIYs, do-it-yourselfers. People from all over the United States have been contacting us, and we've been shipping out our piers to them. They've been raising and stabilizing their houses themselves, saving tens of thousands of dollars. So I want to demonstrate for everybody with my son Matt here. Once the hole is dug, if you can imagine that the footing is right here, holding the foundation wall, we've got our load-bearing steel plate sitting on the subgrade. If the house was not built on fill dirt, it's on dirt that's never been touched by human hands, so it's very, very hard and compact. We put the load-bearing plate on there, set our King Pier in the middle of the load-bearing plate underneath the footing. Our hydraulic jacks, 20 or 30 ton bottle jacks is fine. And once we get it in place, we get our laser levels going, and we get our guy down in the hole, and he starts raising the pier. Go ahead. Stand inside. The pier will come up off the plate, raising the footing. As you can see right there, the King Pier will be raising the footing. This is the methodology that raises the footing back to its correct level elevation. So once we get the footing back level, there will be a gap underneath the King Pier. We take these steel shims and fill the gap with the steel shims. Hold it right there. We will have a 1/4 inch steel shim that we would shove in there, but because there's not a footing actually on top of this holding it in place, they'd just be moving everywhere. But that's the methodology. We've put in thousands of these and saved homeowners a lot of money compared to the other systems. Our methodology is that all the homes in the United States are all built to the standard minimum, meaning the footings are undersized, they're built with low strength concrete, and they're not built to last forever. So our methodology is if they would build footings 4 feet wide, a foot or 2 foot thick, there'd never be no need to raise anything. It would all be stable. Everything would sink evenly if it did. Everything settles. But the King Pier has made a lot of people happy. It's environment friendly. It is a green system. We're not going to contaminate your soil. So if you need to, if you're having problems with your foundation, your footing is sinking, walls are sinking, cracks in your walls, doors not opening and shutting properly, give us a call. We can mail you as many of these as you need. All you need to do is measure the length of the wall and give us a call, and we'll tell you how many you need. And then we just figure out the shipping and get them to you. So give us a call at 816-288-4373. You can always go to 816-521-8915 or go to our website, kingpiers.com, fill out the information, tell us what you need. Thank you very much.